Space is vast. It's teeming with celestial objects, each on its own journey through the cosmos. Some of these wanderers, known as asteroids, have orbits that bring them close to Earth. One such asteroid, a relic from the early solar system, has captured the attention of scientists and the public alike. Its name is Bennu. Bennu, named after an ancient Egyptian deity, is a near-Earth asteroid. It measures about 500 meters in diameter, roughly the height of the Empire State Building. This cosmic mountain of rock and dust is on a collision course with Earth, but don't panic just yet. The odds of an impact are small, and it won't happen for over a century. Bennu is more than just a potential threat. It's a time capsule from the dawn of our solar system, holding clues to the origins of life itself. By studying Bennu, we can learn about the building blocks of planets and the conditions that led to the emergence of life on Earth. The chances of Bennu hitting Earth are slim, but they are not zero. Astronomers estimate a 1 in 2,700 chance of an impact on September 24, 2182. That's a little over 150 years from now. While that may seem like a long way off, it's just a blink of an eye in cosmic terms. To put that probability into perspective, you're more likely to be struck by lightning twice in your lifetime than Earth is to be hit by Bennu. But even small risks can have significant consequences when it comes to asteroids. Scientists use sophisticated tracking systems to monitor Bennu's orbit and refine their predictions. The more we learn about Bennu's trajectory, the better prepared we'll be to mitigate any potential threat. If Bennu were to strike Earth, the impact would be catastrophic. The asteroid would release an immense amount of energy, equivalent to thousands of nuclear bombs detonating simultaneously. The immediate effects would be devastating. A massive shockwave would radiate outwards from the impact site, flattening everything in its path for hundreds of miles. Earthquakes of unprecedented magnitude would ripple across the planet, triggering volcanic eruptions and tsunamis. The intense heat generated by the impact would ignite wildfires that would rage across continents. Millions of tons of molten rock and dust would be blasted into the atmosphere, blotting out the sun and plunging the planet into darkness. In the aftermath of the impact, the skies would darken as a thick shroud of dust and debris enveloped the Earth. This global dust cloud would linger for months, perhaps even years, blocking out sunlight and disrupting the planet's delicate climate balance. With sunlight diminished, global temperatures would plummet, ushering in an impact winter. Average surface temperatures could drop by as much as 4 degrees Celsius, leading to widespread crop failures and food shortages. The dust cloud would also have a devastating impact on the ozone layer, which protects us from harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. With the ozone layer compromised, levels of UV radiation would spike, posing a serious threat to human health and ecosystems. Section 5. The chill of a sunless sky. As the dust cloud slowly begins to dissipate, the full extent of the impact winter would become apparent. The prolonged period of darkness and cold would wreak havoc on global ecosystems, leading to widespread plant and animal deaths. Oceans, which absorb a significant amount of heat from the sun, would cool dramatically, disrupting marine food chains and leading to mass die-offs. The reduced sunlight would also hinder photosynthesis in phytoplankton, microscopic plants that form the base of the marine food web. The impact winter would not last forever, but it would leave a lasting legacy on Earth's climate and ecosystems. The planet would eventually recover, but it would be a changed world, one forever marked by the catastrophic impact. The long-term consequences of a Bennu impact would be as devastating as the immediate effects. The global food supply would be crippled by the combination of impact winter, reduced sunlight, and widespread ecological collapse. Crops would fail, livestock would perish, and fisheries would collapse. Humanity would face a global food crisis of unimaginable proportions. Competition for dwindling resources would likely lead to conflict and instability. Survival would depend on our ability to adapt to a drastically altered planet. The impact would force us to rethink our relationship with the natural world. We would need to find new ways to grow food, conserve resources, and rebuild our shattered ecosystems. The exact number of human casualties from a Bennu impact is difficult to predict. It would depend on the location of the impact, the size of the asteroid, and our ability to mitigate the effects. However, it is safe to say that the loss of life would be catastrophic. A direct impact on a densely populated area would result in millions of immediate deaths. The ensuing environmental consequences would claim countless more lives through famine, disease, and societal collapse. While the prospect of a Bennu impact is terrifying, it's important to remember that it's not a foregone conclusion. We have time to prepare, to develop technologies and strategies to deflect asteroids and protect our planet. In 2016, NASA launched the OSIRIS-REx mission to study Bennu up close. The spacecraft spent 2 years orbiting the asteroid, mapping its surface, studying its composition, and collecting a sample of its regolith, the loose material on its surface. In 2023, OSIRIS-REx returned to Earth, delivering its precious cargo of Bennu material. Scientists are now busy analyzing this sample, hoping to unlock the secrets of the early solar system and gain a better understanding of the risks posed by near-Earth asteroids. The data collected by OSIRIS-REx will help us refine our predictions about Bennu's future trajectory and assess the threat it poses to Earth. The mission also serves as a testbed for future asteroid deflection technologies. The threat posed by Bennu is a stark reminder of our vulnerability in the cosmos. As we explore the universe and unlock its secrets, we must also confront the dangers that lurk in the vastness of space. By studying asteroids like Bennu, we gain a better understanding of our place in the cosmos and the forces that have shaped our planet. We also develop the knowledge and tools we need to protect ourselves from future threats. The cosmos is full of wonders and dangers. By embracing the spirit of scientific inquiry and exploration, we can face the future with both awe and vigilance, ensuring the survival of our species and our planet.